Students, in this session, the definition of position vector function and directional derivative and the applications and theorems of a directional derivative and position vector of a function. Suppose let O be the origin in space S. Let O be the origin in space S. For each some P belongs to S. There corresponds a unique vector. There corresponds a unique vector OP. The function so that defined on the space S is called position vector. Suppose the origin O is 0, 0, 0, some point P, X, Y, Z. Some point P, X, Y, Z in a space. Suppose some P belongs to S. Some P is a point on the space. Suppose here O be the origin and OP equal to here X comma Y comma Z. OP bar is X, Y, Z. Then it is called the position vector. Then it is simply written as R bar equal to Xi bar plus Yj plus Zk. This is the vector function, that means position vector function. It is denoted by R bar, then R bar equal to Xi plus Yj plus Zk. So here the position vector of another point, suppose some capital A equal to 2, 3, minus 1, comma B is equal to 1, minus 2, 4. Here two vectors are there, A equal to 2, 3, minus 1 and B is equal to 1, minus 2, 4. Then now AB bar equal to, that means the position vector of B minus the position vector of A. AB equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. That means 1, minus 2, 4 minus of 2, 3, minus 1. That means 1, minus 2, here 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 4 minus of minus 1 plus 1. So finally minus 1, minus 5 and 5. This is the value of AB bar. So it can be expressed in the vector form. Here minus 1 into I bar, minus 5 into J plus 5 into K. Finally I minus 5J plus 5K. So this is, so another example, suppose some P is equal to 3, 2, minus 1, some Q equal to suppose 5, minus 7, 3. Now PQ bar equal to, that means OQ minus OP. OP bar minus OQ bar minus OP. That means OQ means 5, minus 7, 3 and 3, 2, minus 1. This is 5, minus 3, minus 7, minus 2, 3 minus of minus 1. So finally 2, minus 9 and 4. This is the vector of OP, PQ bar. So this is the position vectors of a concept of position vectors. Next, now directional derivative. Definition of a directional derivative. Directional derivative. Let f be a vector point function. F be a vector point function on a neighborhood of D. So neighborhood, let f be a vector point function defined on a neighborhood of D of a point P. Suppose L be a ray from P in the direction of a unit vector, in the direction of a unit vector E bar. Let suppose Q belongs to L intersection D and Q not equal to P, and Q not equal to P, if limit, here limit Q tends to P, limit Q tends to P, f of Q minus f of P by Q minus P, by, here position vector means by QP exists, QP exists, then the limit is called the directional derivative. The limit is called the directional derivative of f at P in the direction of E bar, and it is denoted by, suppose, dou f by dou E, dou f by dou E. Suppose let f be a vector point function and defined on a neighborhood of D. First of all, what is a neighborhood? What is a neighborhood? Suppose some element A in this direction, suppose positive direction, and this is the negative direction. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is -1, -2 and -3. Suppose consider element some A. So here A -1 comma A plus 1, it is a neighborhood of A. It is a 1 unit distance of neighborhood of A. Suppose and A -2 comma A plus 2, it is a distance 2 of neighborhood of A. Suppose and etc. Suppose some, this is the symbol epsilon, this is the symbol epsilon, this is a positive integer, that means epsilon greater than 0. Some A minus epsilon comma A plus epsilon is a neighborhood of A. So this is a epsilon neighborhood of A. Here epsilon is a some distance, so A to 1, suppose A to 2, suppose A to 3 and up to so on. Here epsilon neighborhood of A means A minus, this is A minus epsilon comma A plus epsilon. So this is a neighborhood definition. So f be a vector point function defined on a neighborhood of D and P is a point, and let L be a ray some direction of the unit vector E bar, then limit Q tends to P, f of Q minus f of P by QP exists, then the limit is called the directional derivative of f at P in the direction of E bar. So it is simply denoted by dou f by dou E. Okay, students, here neighborhood means consider suppose some elements, some point A, so positive direction is 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and negative direction is -3, -2 and so on, minus and negative direction of this, and so A minus 1 comma A plus 1 and A minus 2 and A plus 2 and some epsilon neighborhood. So epsilon means epsilon some greater than 0, A minus epsilon comma A plus epsilon is also a neighborhood of A. So now coming to next point, if f equal to, suppose if f bar equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, f equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, and f1, f2, f3 having directional derivatives, and f1, f2 and f3 having a directional derivatives of at P, at the point P, at the point P in the direction of E bar, in the direction of E bar, then dou f by dou s, dou f by dou s equal to I bar dou f1 by dou s, I bar into dou f1 by dou s plus j into dou f2 by dou s plus k into dou f3 by dou s. Here if f equal to f1i f2j and plus f3k, here f1 f2 f3 are having directional derivatives of at p in the direction of e bar, then dou f by dou s equal to I dou f1 by dou s plus j dou f2 by dou y plus k dou f3 by dou z. Next topic is gradient. Gradient of a scalar point function. Gradient of a scalar point function. Let phi be a scalar point function. Let phi be a scalar point function. Let phi be a scalar point function having the directional derivatives. Having the directional derivatives dou pi by dou x, dou pi by dou x, and dou pi by dou y, and dou pi by dou z. Phi be a scalar point function having the directional derivatives dou pi by dou x, dou pi by dou y, and dou pi by dou z in the direction of I, j, k. In the direction of I, j, k respectively. The vector function I bar dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. In the direction of I, j, k respectively, then the vector function I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z is called the gradient of scalar point function. So let pi be a scalar point function and the having the directional derivatives dou pi by dou x and dou pi by dou y and dou pi by dou z is the directions of I, j, k respectively. The vector function I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z is called the gradient of the scalar function. The scalar function means phi. The scalar function phi. So it is written as the gradient of a function, it is written as simply grad phi. Simply grad phi, or it is symbolically read as del pi. The symbol is del. So gradient of a pi, it is simply written as grad pi or del pi. So finally, therefore, grad pi equal to, it is symbolically del pi equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. So finally grad pi, the formula of the grad pi gradient is grad pi equal to symbolically del pi equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. So this is a gradient of a scalar point function. So students, once again, let pi be a scalar point function. Pi be a scalar point function with having the derivatives dou pi by dou x, dou pi by dou y and dou pi by dou z in the directions of I, j, k respectively. Next, here the function f I bar dou f by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z is called the directional derivative at the scalar function pi, and it is simply write as grad pi or del pi. This symbol is del pi. So therefore finally grad pi equal to del pi equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k into dou pi by dou z. This is the definition of gradient of a scalar function. Next, using this definition, some problem solve. Suppose the vectors if a equal to, suppose some vector a equal to x plus y plus z, comma b equal to x square plus y square plus z square, comma c is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. So if a equal to x plus y plus z and b equal to x square plus y square plus z square and c is equal to xy plus yz plus zx, then prove that box of, this is the symbol box of grad a, grad b and grad c equal to 0. It is simply symbolically box of del a, del b and del c equal to 0. Here given a, b, c, then find or then prove that grad box of grad a, grad b, grad c equal to 0, or simply box of del a, del b, del c. What is del? Del means a gradient of a and gradient of b and gradient of c. But first of all, grad pi equal to the formula is I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. This is the formula for grad pi. So using this formula to prove box of del a, del b, del c equal to 0. So first given a equal to x plus y plus z, given a equal to x plus y plus z. Here first of all calculate dou a by dou x. First we calculate dou a by dou x with respect to x. 1 plus 0 plus 0. Here x means 1, y and z are constants and 0. Finally it is 1. Next, dou a by dou y. That means dou pi by dou x. First one, second one dou pi by dou y and dou pi by dou z. So here a dou a by dou x and second one dou a by dou y. With respect to y, here 0 plus 1 plus 0, finally 1. Similarly dou a by dou z. With respect to z, here 0 plus 0 plus 1, it is 1. So now grad a equal to symbolically del a equal to formula is I dou a by dou x plus j dou a by dou y plus k dou a by dou z. That means I into dou a by dou x means 1 plus j into dou a by dou y 1 plus k into dou a by dou z means 1. So finally I plus j plus k. This is the value of del A or grad A. So grad A is equal to I plus j plus k. This is the first value. Now coming to vector B means x square plus y square plus z square. Now first of all dou b by dou x. Dou b by dou x means here with respect to x square means 2x. So 2y square means 2y, but with respect to x, so y square is constant, z square is constant. So finally 2x. Next dou b by dou y. So with respect to y, x 0, y square means 2y, z 0, finally 2y. Next dou b by dou z. With respect to z, x 0, y 0 plus z square means 2z. So finally this is 2z. Now grad b equal to, it is symbolically del b. So I dou b by dou x plus j dou b by dou y plus k dou b by dou z. This is I into 2x, that means dou b by dou x 2x plus j into dou b by dou y means 2y plus k into 2z. So finally 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. So this is the value of grad b. Grad b equal to 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. Now consider C. C is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Consider C is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Now calculate dou C by dou x. That means with respect to x, here y is constant, so x is 1 into y. With respect to x, yz is 0, plus with respect to x, zx means z into 1, finally y plus z. And dou C by dou y equal to, with respect to y, xy. So x into 1. With respect to y, 1 into z. With respect to y, there is no y, this is constant 0. Finally x plus z. And dou C by dou z. With respect to z, first value constant, then 0. With respect to z, here y into 1, here 1 into x. So finally y plus x. So dou C by dou x equal to y plus z, and dou C by dou y equal to x plus z, and dou C by dou z equal to x plus y. Now grad C, that means del C equal to, formula is I bar dou C by dou x plus j dou C by dou y plus k dou C by dou z. That means I into, here dou C by dou x means y plus z plus j into dou C by dou y means x plus z plus k into dou C by dou z means y plus x. So this is the value of grad C. Grad C equal to y plus z into I plus z plus x into j plus x plus y into k. This is grad C. So given A, B, C, first of all we calculate grad A. So grad A means I plus j plus k, and coming to B, dou b by dou x, calculate 2x, and dou b by dou y, that means 2y, and dou b by dou z, that means 2z. Now grad b equal to, that means symbolically del b equal to I dou b by dou x plus j dou b by dou y plus k dou b by dou z, which means I into dou b by dou x means 2x plus j into 2y plus k into 2z, and finally this is 2x I plus 2yj plus 2zk. Now coming to c is xy plus yz plus zx. So first of all dou c by dou x. Here with respect to x into y, so 1 into y, plus with respect to x, here there is no x, it is only constants, then 0, plus here x, so z into 1, so finally y plus z. Next dou c by dou y, with respect to y, so x into 1 plus here y into z means, so 1 into z, plus here there is no y, then zx is constant, so finally xz. Now coming to dou c by dou z, so with respect to z, here there is no z, so it is 0, plus here z y into 1, and here z into x, so 1 into x, so finally y plus x. Next then grad c equal to symbolically del c equal to I dou c by dou x plus j dou c by dou y plus k dou c by dou z. Then I into dou c by dou x means y plus z, plus j into dou c by dou y means x plus z, plus k into dou c by dou z means y plus x. So finally grad a I plus j plus k, and grad b 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk, and grad c y plus z into y plus z plus x into j plus x plus y into k. Now calculate now the value of grad a box of grad b and grad c. So it is simply symbolically written as del a, del b and del c. This is the box, the condition of the box. Here suppose a b c, then here determinant, here suppose a bar equal to a1i plus a2j plus a3k. So then the elements is a1, a2 and a3. Suppose some b bar equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k, here b1, b2 and b3. And suppose some c is equal to c1i plus c2j plus c3k, then here c equal to c1, c2 and c3. This is the condition for box of a, b, c equal to data matrix of a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. Now box of grad a, grad b, grad c, it is symbolically box of del a, del b, del c. The values of is by determinant matrix. Here grad a means I plus j plus k, the constants 1, 1, 1. So here grad a 1, 1, again 1. Next grad b, here 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk, then the scalars are 2x, 2y and 2z. Now grad c means y plus z z plus x and x plus y. Here grad C y plus z, z plus x and x plus y. Now calculate the determinant matrix, then 1 into here. So formula is AD minus BC. So that means 2y into x plus y minus 2z into z plus x. This is 1 with respect to ABCD. Next, minus 1 into, again the condition of ABCD, we neglect first row and second column, then we get 2x, 2z, y plus z and x plus y, then we get 2x into x plus y minus 2z into y plus z. This is minus 1 into. Next, plus 1 into. So third is means first row and third column is neglected, then 2x into z plus x minus 2y into y plus z. So now the general multiplication is 2xy plus 2y square minus 2z square minus 2xz minus 2x square, 2x into y already minus, so minus 2xy. Next, minus of minus plus 2yz plus 2z square plus here 2x into z plus 2x into x, 2x square minus 2y square minus 2yz. Here first of all the coefficients of x square terms. Here 2x square, this is plus 2x square is cancelled, and here plus 2y square and this is minus 2y square cancelled. Next, minus 2z square, this is plus 2z square cancel. Next, this is 2xy, this is minus 2xy cancel. This is minus 2xz plus 2xz cancel. Next, 2yz plus and this is minus 2yz. So all the elements are cancel, then we get the value is 0. So finally therefore grad A, grad B, grad C, box of grad A, grad B, grad C equal to 0. It is symbolically del A, del B and del C. Box of del A, del B, del C equal to 0. Hence the problem is solved. Students, next one is vector differential operator. Next definition, vector differential operator. This is symbol del. Vector differential operator del. Suppose the operator del equal to I bar dou by dou x, I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. The operator del equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z is defined such that del pi equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Defined such that del pi equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z, where pi is a scalar point function. Here pi is a scalar point function. Pi is a scalar point function. Then the symbol here, the symbol is read as del or nabla. Del or nabla. So if pi is a scalar point function, then del pi equal to, it is written as grad pi. Del pi equal to grad pi equal to, it is simply sigma I. Sigma I dou pi, here scalar pi, dou pi by dou x. So the operator del equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z, then is defined is such that, so now del pi equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Here pi is a scalar point function. Pi is a scalar point function, then the symbol is read as del or nabla. Del or nabla. So if pi is a scalar point function, then del pi equal to, it is written as grad pi equal to symbolically sigma I dou pi by dou x. Here sigma means, suppose the elements x, y, z in the anti-clockwise direction, here x and then y and then z and then x. It is the sigma rotation. Suppose this is grad pi equal to, already it is written as grad pi equal to del pi equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Dou pi by dou z. It is simply in the sigma rotation sigma I dou pi by dou x. Now expanding I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Okay, students, this session is closed. Okay, students, coming to the next problem. Here, if a bar equal to ti minus t square j plus t cube k and b is equal to 2t minus 3 into I plus j plus t square k, then find the value of a cross b. Here, given a equal to ti minus t square j plus 3t cube k and b equal to 2t minus 3 into I plus j plus t square k. Now a cross b equal to, here that matrix, here first one I, second j and third one k. Here a means the constants, that means t, suppose this is t square and 3t cube. Next, the vector of b is 2t minus 3, 1, and this is t square. So now applying det operation, that means I bar into this is AD minus BC, the det of, suppose the matrix ABCD, the determinant of ABCD is AD minus BC. AD minus BC. So AD minus BC means minus t power 4 minus 3t cube. Next, minus j into second vector. So here consider second vector minus j. So we neglecting first row and second column. So remaining t, 3t cube, 2t minus 3 and t square. Then again the formula of AD minus BC. Then t into t square means t cube minus BC means 3t cube into 2t minus 3. Next, some k vector, some k into, now neglecting here first row and third column, then t minus t square, 2t minus 3 and 1. Then again applying that formula AD minus BC, then it is t plus t square into 2t minus 3. Now this is I into minus t power 4 minus 3t cube minus j into t cube minus, here multiplied 6t power 4 plus 9t cube plus k into this is t plus 2t cube minus 3t square. So it is finally I into minus t power 4 minus t cube minus j into here minus 6t power 4 and t cube plus 9 plus 10t cube plus k into t plus 2t cube plus 3t square. So this is the value of A cross B. Suppose some constant, some t equal to at the point 1, 2, 3 or anybody. So then A cross B at t equal to 1. A cross B at t equal to 1. Here substituting t is the value of 1. So minus 1 minus 3 minus j into minus 6 plus 10 plus k into 1 plus 2 minus 3. So it is simplified by minus 4 minus j into 4 plus k into finally 0. So minus 4i minus 4j plus 0, it is minus 4i minus 4j. So this is the value of A cross B at the point t equal to 1. Okay students, this session is closed.